Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
I have a beautiful condo to show you, so why wait? We're on the west end. Let's go. Welcome into this 2-bed condo here at Portside. I love how much space there is, and you've got the tile throughout, which is perfect for the water and the sand. You've got plenty of space here, and come check out this kitchen. It's had a little bit of a refresh. So I love the new quartz countertops, and you've got ample space here. You can have some people sitting behind the bar, and you've got room. Now, not everybody's gonna be in here, but this is perfect for you or your guests. So welcome into the main ensuite. You'll notice up here that the floors have been redone. It's a nice coastal feel LVP. So again, that water and that sand. You've got ample space here. It goes right into the restroom, but let me tell you, these views are the winner. Nice, great privacy, massive balcony. Oh, this place is perfect. So for more information, look in the description below. I've got the listing link there for you with the added details of everything for this unit. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com, and ring that bell so you don't miss out on any beauties like this one.